Hello. In this video, we will show you how to calculate the perimeter and area of a circle sector. First, we will explain the formulas you need, then we will look at where you can find circle sector shapes in the real world, and finally, we will go through a practical example of the calculation. A circle sector is a region of a circle that is bounded by two radii and the arc between them. It essentially represents a slice of the circle. The central angle of the sector is the angle formed by the two radii, and it determines the size of the sector. Here are some key features of a circle sector. Radii, the two straight lines extending from the center of the circle to the circumference, which define the boundaries of the sector. Arc, the curved boundary of the sector, connecting the endpoints of the two radii on the circumference of the circle. Central angle, the angle formed at the center of the circle by the two radii. This angle helps define the sector. But where can we find circular sectors in real life? In astronomy, the movements of celestial bodies, such as satellites, can involve trajectories resembling circular sectors. In architecture, many historic buildings feature arches and vaults that are essentially circular sectors. In sports, circular sectors often appear in the construction of tracks or stadiums, such as the curves of running tracks. In nature, circular sectors can be seen in the shape of leaves or the wings of certain butterflies. In everyday life, circular sectors are found in the design of objects like clock faces, fans, or sliced pizzas. How to calculate the perimeter and area of a circle sector? To calculate the perimeter and area of a circular sector, you will need the following information: radius, which is the distance from the center of the circle to a point on the circumference; angle, which is the angle that the sector of the circle subtends, measured in degrees. This angle is formed between the two radii that make up the arms of the sector. The circumference of a circular sector is the sum of the length of the arc and twice the radius. The formula is as follows. The length of the arc is calculated using the following formula. The area of a circular sector is calculated using the following formula. And now, we will calculate the circumference and area of a circle sector using a practical example. We have a circle sector with a radius of 5 centimeters and an angle alpha of 60 degrees. We will start by calculating the circumference of the circle sector, beginning with the arc length using the formula. And now, we substitute the values. When we have the arc length, we calculate the circumference of the circle sector using the following formula. We substitute the values. And now, we will calculate the area of the circle sector using the formula. We substitute the values. For an accurate calculation of the perimeter and area, visit Formiax.com or click the link in the video description. I hope you have learned how to calculate the circumference and area of a rectangular shape. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you next time.